today we're going to be doing extended LCAs, tie rods, and bushings for the LCAs. So I'm going to show you what we're working with here and then explain a little bit what we're going to be doing. So we got E90 inners because they're long as hell. Now make sure our alignment is right with having extended LCAs, and these are E36 outers. So had to order new condor bushings, offset bushings, because these are the extended LCAs. I was gonna put these in last week, but I was waiting on the tie rods to come in, and my leasing office bitched about my car being on jack stands for 2 days, and they wanted to tow it, so I had to put the car back together. So I was gonna put the original LCAs back on the car, but I had to take these off the extended ones, and this one ripped. So we're gonna get a torch, burn these out, so that way we don't have to fuck with it no more. So I'm gonna set these up, I'm gonna torch them, and then get the car jacked up so we can get busy. So while I let these cool down for a sec, because I torched them pretty good, I'm gonna let them cool down and then get the car jacked up. We'll come back and see if they either crumple up and come off, or if we torch them some more. Alright, so went in, got the car jacked up, and pulled off the boot for the tie rod. Well, if you can see any of this here, this is what I was trying to do last week, but it's fucking seized up. Like, torched it for like fucking 30 minutes till it was like glowing red. Still nothing. But I'm gonna flip the camera. At the inner tie rod where it goes into the steering rack, this little like washer piece, oh shit, this little like washer piece has like a bend on it to keep it from untwisting out of the rack. So I'm gonna go ahead and like hammer this back real quick and get a big ass wrench so we can get this inner out. actually had something big enough to get the inner out, but gotta take off the outer. Now, normally with these, you need to like hit the knuckle to get this out, but we're literally changing the whole thing out, so hammer. Because replacing the whole thing, so just fuck it. Don't really matter. Alright. Shout out to Jay for letting me borrow these. They came in handy. So, oh, it'll actually come out. Well, you see what I'm doing here, so just turn it out of the steering rack. But I need 2 hands to do this, so I'll be right back when I got it out. So, got the whole tire. This is the old one. It seized up, so I couldn't get the inner off the outer. But this is the E90 inner, and you can already tell, like, this would have been probably the max for the E36 inner to go into the outer, and already this inner is just, it's hella longer, obviously, which is why we need it for extended LCAs. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in, throw the outer on just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go get the LCA so we can throw that in and get the adjusting the alignment kinda, so we can put the car on the ground. Also, before I forget, I want to shout out Keenan for making me these extended LCAs. Like, I'm out in Baltimore, he's way out in Virginia somewhere, and he will literally get you to order them to his house. He'll extend them for you however long you want them. You want them 2 inches extended, 5 inches extended, whatever. He'll hook you up. He make extended LCAs, modded knuckles, all that shit. So if you need like modified E36 suspension parts, like, please hit him up. I'll put his IG right down here somewhere. Please give my man a follow and hit him up for any modded E36 suspension stuff. Like, he extended mine like 50 mil, like 2 inches, something like that. And I'm mad excited to put these in. So please, if you need something welded and you don't trust yourself, please hit him up. Alright, so all bushings burnt, scorched, and we're ready to put the condor bushings on so we can throw it in the car. And just FYI, I just backtrack stuff just so to make sure I put all the information in. But once you burn these out, there's like a metal ring on the inside, and once the like outer piece is burnt out, it helps to like cut a little slit in these, stick a screwdriver in it, and like just pry it off. I pried it a little bit and pulled it by hand, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna open these up real quick, show you what they look like. Machete, because why not? Alright, so pretty much goes on the back of the LCA, Nothing crazy. I need two hands to like put them on, so I can't set the camera up at a good angle for me to like show you this, but I'm gonna put them on and then show you the orientation they belong in, so that way just show you what they look like, what they supposed to look like before they go in the car. Alright, so as far as like orientation, you want to make sure that the actual like the lollipop piece, or the grooves that go in the back, like that goes onto the body, so that way they sit flush. So you just want to have them like kind of like pointed to the piece that goes onto like the knuckle. Alright guys, so sucks to suck, but it rained. I got rained out, so couldn't really do a whole bunch of recording. So I actually got everything on and the car is on the ground, but due to the fact that it was raining, I couldn't record, and right now it's damn near pitch black outside. Like, if you know me, you know that I'm dark. I had to turn this light on so I could make this video, literally. So I'm gonna see if my phone can pick up like just the car and stuff in the dark, so I'll at least show you what the finished product looks like. Yep, it's raining. So my bumper is not completely on. I just put it on so that way it looked on. But if you can see, definitely got some front tilt. Jeez. It looks pretty fucking mean. Fitment's there. Go to the other side. And hold on. Not sure how, but this one got just a tad more. Probably not, because I really was out here pulling the fenders so that way the car would sit, because the tires were literally sitting outside of the fender, so I had to give them a good pull to make sure they fit. That's not bad at all. But apologies again that I didn't get to record some more of the process. It's raining. So with that, I'm gonna just close it here and sub for me, because next time I post a video, this car will not be in the parking lot. It will be rolling down the street somewhere. We can actually see how it rides. So like, subscribe. I'll get with y'all next time.